Okay, so this trick is based on the fact that the opposite sides of a dice always add to 7.
Right.
So when she rolls the dice, and as I'm kind of straightening them up, I add up the total. So in this case, I can see it's 11, 12, 13, 14. So I'm going to be thinking 14. And I turn around, and I ask her to turn them over. Now, since there are 5 dice, the total of the tops and bottoms is going to be 5 times 7, or 35. So if I subtract the 14, the total of the tops from 35, that's what the total of the new tops is going to be when she turns them all over, or 21. So she's going to turn it over, and as she's turning them over, I'm thinking to myself, 35 minus 14 is 21. So I've got plenty of time to figure it out. Okay, she totals them up, and I turn around, and immediately I look at them and say 21. And hopefully they're amazed that I looked at it and in a second was able to add up 5 numbers, when actually I just added them up much earlier. Oh, one other thing, sorry. This is a scalable trick, so if you have kids that aren't as good of adders and subtractors, you could do it, let's say, with 2 dice, and then you would subtract the number from 14, right? So that these two are going to total, it's 11, so it's going to, 14 minus 11 is 3. No, did I do that wrong? It's 9, I'm sorry. 14 minus 9 is 5. It's going to be 5. So you can scale it and use 3, 4, or 5 dice depending on how facile they are.
And I just kind of remember